Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? You guys are doing good, I hope. Well, today BDC yesterday night moved a little faster than I expected. Let's go to a clean chart first, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. Let's go to the Bitstamp chart. So yesterday, probably on my video, I've shared that I was expecting, this low to be taken, like I was expecting this low. So in trading that at 43,800, I was expecting a price should come here, like this can sweep the lows, but it did not sweep the lows. That is bullish. If it doesn't, it may come back, but it looks bullish. That means what it means that it will take that highs now first. Remember that this all move is about liquidity from this point, sorry, from this point, from this point to this point to this point. The important thing is that when the institution or smart money or the big players are moving the price, they are not going to let us take the lows. They always protect their lows, like this low, this low, this low, this low, and this low. So it's still the sequence is moving nice. So if they took that lows, तो उसका फायदा ये होता, मेरा कहने की बात ये है कि हम we can move up like all the time to the upside usually. Sometimes price जब कोई untapped lows या ऐसे lows जो कि बड़े important होते हैं, some are important, some are not, उनको छोड़ के चली जाती है, so that means कि price किसी टाइम वापस आ सकती है. So now जिस बंदे ने यहाँ से long किया है, for example I was expecting this, but obviously when you see something like, I'll show you something. Obviously when you see what is this yaar? Okay, obviously when you on your 15-minute, when you see something like this and it develop here and then you break this high, like this previous high in this candle, like this candle, like it's a complete break. This is where I'm interested. So I have to take entries at here. So I have to take entries at, I took entry here. And what is my target? As I have missed it because I should have taken this, but I was waiting for this high to be broken, this local high. Once it gets broken, then my take profit is almost here. So what I did, मैंने क्या किया है, I took some profit here. This is my first take profit zone at 47,000, this high. So now I'm expecting to take out this high or this high. So any dip, if it comes back here, like if it take these lows or it come here, and then I will take this entry again, add more here. This is important, and the important thing on the chart is always the daily open, daily close. So this daily close is so important. I think it will serve as a support now, 46,764. And if you come back to the level, if you look at it, price कहाँ से bounce कर रही है? From daily open, this is the resistance, this is the support. These three important levels: daily open, and I'll show you right again. Daily open, daily close, high and low. These three things are very important in crypto or in any in any market. So this is what I am looking at. And what is my micro stance? I still believe week is coming. I still believe that I showed yesterday. This area is a dangerous area at 720. This is 47, and I don't. The volume is still not that high in my opinion. 11 days are going. I mean, like आप खुद सोचें, 11 days रह गए हैं and the volume is not what I like. I like the volume to increase, like here. I want volume to increase with the price. This is the basic rule. Here the volume is not has not increased, but it is half. We still have 11 days. Anything is possible. but I'm just cautious about it. The volume size. I understand it's the start of a new move, but be cautious. We can have another sell-off because of DXY. It is breaking these highs. Now this is the high it is going to target. When something breaks this high, this is the high that is going to take at 94. And if it breaks that, I don't expect anybody to go up more than that. If you notice at SPY, this is interesting. So this is what I think. Sorry, BTC, USD. This is a chart. So this is what I think. So on the low time frame, I think the beautiful block we have here at this level, this is the resistance. If you go back, 2Ds, yeah, we are challenging the most important area of the trade. Yeah, I still think we can come here to this level now, 52k. It is possible. They can sweep these highs, and then they can test, break the trend. Like I expect now, I was expecting their price may break from here and then go up. But they have decided what? Being a trader, I'm up for any move. So what they did, they are going to knock out every short seller because they are going to hit the new liquidity zone. And then they probably come down. And I still believe 40k will be tested. And this is where they are for whatever the new level, 43 or 40k. And this is where we are going to see some fireworks if bull run stays active. So I still believe we will get an opportunity somewhere here. People may say we not, but I think we will get an opportunity. This move is not enough to take us to the upside. I show you something why I think it's been happening all the time. Look at that. I'll show you the previous chart of previous bull rally of Bitcoin. Yeah, where it is. This is the one. I expect, if I'm bullish and if I'm a bull, I expect we are going to see something like this again in probably again, like area chart. Yeah, probably. This is what I think. If we look at it, if this is my favorite chart now, by the way. So we'll go to the log. Yeah. Now, what I think of this area here, I think we have faced this sort of a move. I think this is I think we have faced. Okay, this is we have faced, and there is a possibility that we can see another move to the downside. So this is my general perception, that I think we see another small little dip once again and again. Yeah, this area is not gonna get broken in one go, remember that. Because the move we are seeing now, witnessing here, it could be the last move. So very difficult, and then we will find support here or here, wherever they here, and then we will move back. So always wait for these entries. Always. I think we will get our opportunity. It can drop from here, but we can get an opportunity. So be cautious, be careful. I still think we can break the all-time high again, but to break all-time high, we need a partner. I mean, we have this one, we have her partner. Now we need to complete this. This is how the prices moves. If you look at it, every time what we have this rally, we have this up, we have this down, or this down, or this down. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm waiting for. A little bit structure complete, and then we will go boom. So always be patient. If you have missed this rally, अगर आपने इस ऑल्ट्स को अपने इस रैली से मिस कर दिया है, do not buy or FOMO in. You cannot buy there. You can scalp or do some small little trading here. You cannot, because ADA is at all-time high. SOL is at all-time high. Do you think it is always good to buy anything at all-time high. This is stupidity. They can go another $20, $10, 20% above, but they are the riskiest asset right now. Like Soul, what I'm talking about here, Soul. I mean, do you think it is? It is. I still think it has the potential to come back to 58 or some wick into 48. This is where I'm interested. Do you think it is a good time to buy? Yes, it can go up, more up, but it has to come back here to find momentum, to find liquidity. These players are not interested in taking anything to the all-time high. It is to catch the public. They are looking for liquidity, my dears. Looking for liquidity. Assalamu alaikum.